if A equal to set of y such that y equal to a plus 1 by 2, a belongs to whole number and a is less than or equal to 5. B the given set of y such that y equal to 2n minus 1 by 2, n belongs to whole number and n is less than 5. And C equal to the given direct element here, minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2. Then show that A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. So first you just see here A set and B set, they given in rule form, right? Now we are going to convert into a roster form. Roster form you know very well, it's a listing the elements. So convert that first and then you just prove this statement. Clear children? Yes, first solution, right? Solution. What is the A statement they given? You just copy that y such that y equal to a plus 1 by 2. That means a belongs to whole number. You know very well whole number it starts with 0, right? So a is less than or equal to 5. So we should follow these clues, right? A equal to, first you just take a value, okay? So it starts with 0 because it is whole number. 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5 also we should include because here they given equal to symbol, right? Less than or equal to. So we should take 5 also here. Okay. So first when here you know very well what is a y statement here? Y equal to a plus 1 by 2. This is y statement, right? First if your a equal to 0, if you are applying y equal to 0 plus 1 by 2, then 0 plus 1, 1 by 2. Next, when a equal to 1, that means if you are applying here y equal to, instead of a you are applying 1 plus 1 by 2. That means 2. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. If you are cancelling, you will get the answer 1. When a equal to 2, you just apply y equal to, instead of a, you are going to apply 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Okay. Next, when a equal to 3, then y equal to, instead of a, 3 plus 1 by 2. So 4 by 2. If you are cancelling, you will get the answer in 2 table 4 how many times? 2 times. So 2. Yes. When a equal to 4. So y equal to 4 plus 1 by 2. That means 5 by 2. When a equal to 5. Then y equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. That means 6 by 2. If you are cancelling, you will get the answer 3. Now you just write the a element here. A equal to, first element is 1 by 2, comma 1, comma 3 by 2, comma 2, comma 5 by 2, comma 3. This is the element for A. Now second we are going to find B. What is the B statement they given in question? So y such that y equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. That means n belongs to whole number, n is less than 5. Okay, clear children? Now first instead of n what value we are going to take? It's a whole number. It starts with 0. 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. No need to take 5 because they didn't give here. Here, enama kudukalainga equal to they didn't give, right? So, you just stop here. Up to 4 only you just stop. Now, what condition here they given? Y equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. So, when n equal to 0, so what is y? Y equal to 2 into, instead of n, 0 you apply, minus 1 by 2. 2 into 0, what ma? 0 minus 1 by 2. Your answer is minus 1 by 2. Next one, when n equal to 1. So, y equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. That means 2 minus 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2. Next, when n equal to 2. N equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Instead of n, what value I am applying? 2. So, minus 1 by 2. That means 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 by 2. That means 3 by 2. Next one is when n equal to 3. Y equal to, instead of n, 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2, right? So 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 by 2. That means 5 by 2. Yes. When n equal to 4. Okay. N equal to 4. Y equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 by 2. That means 8 minus 1 by 2. What is the answer? 7 by 2. Next one is when n equal to, that's all, no? Up to 4 only we should take. Now write B element here. B equal to, what are the elements we found now? Minus 1 by 2, and then 1 by 2, next 3 by 2, next one is 5 by 2, next one is 7 by 2. This is the answer for B element, right? Yes. Okay. Next, already we found A element and B element. C directly they given, you just write here. C element, minus 1 comma, minus 1 by 2 comma, 1 comma, 3 by 2 comma 2. This is the C element. Okay. Now I am going to prove that condition. What condition they given? A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. First I am going to prove LHS, left hand side, right? A difference B union C. First what we should prove? B union C. What is B element? Now only we found, right? You just copy this element here. Minus 1 by 2 and then 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and then 7 by 2. Okay. Union. What is C element? You know very well, C element they given directly. Minus 1 comma, minus 1 by 2 comma, 1 comma, 3 by 2 comma 2. Now you know very well, union means what we need to do? We need to combine, we need to write combined, right? Okay. See here, first you just take here, what value we should take here? Minus minus 1 you write, and then next one is minus 1 by 2, and then what value is there here? And then what? Plus 1 by 2, and then 1 you write. Next one is 3 by 2, 2 you write, 5 by 2 and then 7 by 2. Okay, I wrote all the elements here. Clear children? And then next one is, now fully I am going to write A difference B union C. Write A value here. What is A value here? 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Write here 1 by 2, 1, and then next one is 3 by 2, and then 2, 5 by 2, and then 3. Difference. Now only I found B union C, right? You just copy that here. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, and then 7 by 2. Okay. Now you know very well, in difference symbol, you know very well what we need to do. We need to strike out that what are the elements present in second, that we should strike out in first set, right? So here you just see minus 1 is there, no minus 1, no minus 1 by 2 here, no minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is there, strike out that, 1 is there, strike out, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 is there, strike out. What is the remaining element here? 3. So write that. This is the answer. Okay, for LHS, left hand side, only 3. This is first equation. Now you just take right hand side. A difference B intersection A difference C. So you know very well A difference B. What is A element here? 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3. This is A element. Difference. What is B element? You know very well, minus 1 by 2 and then 1 by 2, 3 by 2, then 5 by 2, 7 by 2. This is B element. Now you just strike out here. In A element you just strike out B's elements. Minus 1 by 2, it's not there. Plus 1 by 2 is there. 3 by 2, 5 by 2. That's all, no? Right remaining thing. 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is A difference B. A difference B. Now next start A difference C. A difference C. What is A element here? You know very well, right? So 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Difference. What is C element? You know very well, right? C element is minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2. Now you just strike out this. Minus 1 is here. No, it's not there. 1 is there. Strike out. 3 by 2 is there. Strike out. 2 is there. Strike out. 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 and then 3 is there. Okay. Now you just write fully here. A difference B intersection A difference C. A difference B. A difference B value is 1, 2, 3. You write here 1 comma 2 comma 3. Intersection symbol A difference C is 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3. Now see here both the sets, which is common element. 3 is the common. So write that 3. This is the answer for second equation. Okay. Now check first equation and second equation. You got the same answer, right? So here you write from 1 and 2. That means LHS equal to RHS. So A difference B union C equal to, therefore A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Hence verified. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you.